Hey guys, Anthony here with an updated tutorial on how to complete the W-8BEN form. First, let me explain briefly what the W-8BEN form is. It's called the Certificate of Foreign Status of Beneficial Owner for United States Tax Withholding. In simple terms, the W-8BEN form is a legal document required by the IRS or the Internal Revenue Services in the US in order to declare your tax status. The form is divided into three main parts. Part 1 is the identification of beneficial owner. In this part, you enter your name, country of citizenship, permanent address, and leave line 4 blank if your mailing address is the same. You can skip line 5. In line 6A, enter your foreign tax identification number, also referred to the FTIN. If you are a Canadian, you can enter your social insurance number. And if you are from other countries, you can use your tax identification number. In line 6B, you can check this box if you're not legally required to provide your FTIN. However, just bear in mind that if you are claiming tax-free benefits, which I'll cover in the next part, you may be required to provide your foreign tax identification number. You can leave line 7 blank and then finally enter your date of birth in line 8. Part 2 is the claim of tax-free benefits. What you complete in this part will depend on whether your country of residence has a tax treaty with the US. If not, you do not complete this section, which means that you cannot claim tax-free benefits and could end up paying up to 30% in US taxes. If your country of residence has a tax treaty in the US, you will need to look it up and look up the tax treaty document. You'll find the link to all of the US tax treaty documents in the description section. So let me go back to part 2 of the W-8BEN form. Now, depending on what type of US income you're earning, you will need to look up the article number in the tax treaty and the corresponding US tax withholding rate. So in my case, I'm completing this form for a US client of mine for whom I'm providing business services. So in this case, in line 9, I will enter the name of my country, in my case, Canada. In line 10, I'll enter Article 7, and then 0 rate of withholding. And under the type of income, I'll specify business services. And under the explanation part, you can write something like, beneficial owner has a permanent establishment in Canada and all work is performed in Canada as per Article 5. Of course, this will depend on your country like I mentioned earlier. And finally, part 3 is certification. In this part, you're certifying that the information you provided is accurate. Make sure to read all of these declarations, and then you'll need to check this box, sign at the bottom, enter the date in this field and make sure to use the same format, and then print your name at the bottom. But that's pretty much it. Now, before I wrap up, I just want to make a few important points. If you are an individual, like an independent contractor or sole proprietor, use this form, the W-8BEN form, which I'm showing you in this tutorial. If you're a business entity, use form W-8BEN-E. If you are a US citizen or resident, use form W-9. You do not need to send this W-8BEN form to the IRS. You only need to provide it to the individual or company in the US from whom you're earning US income. And of course, you will need to file your tax return in your country, in my case, Canada, for income earned from US sources. Well, hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.